Hello good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we are going to learn how to split names by character transition in Excel. So here's my sample data, names and sales. But if you look closely, you realize that some of the names are without spaces. So as an example, Solomon Mensah should be 2 names with a space. Loris Osei should be. The pattern here is that when you transition from lowercase to uppercase, that should be a space. You can have data dumped from a software like this. How do you now bring in these spaces? Now, to do this, we are going to use Power Query. Okay, so Power Query is under the Data tab in the Command tabs. In the leftmost part, you see Get and Transform. This tool is useful to connect to any data source, clean and transform it. And when you dump it, or the final result is dumped, you don't have to do the process again. It sticks so that you don't have to repeat the cleaning process. So to do that, we are going to stand in any cell and we are going to load it from sheet, from table or ring, depending on the version that you have, using this icon. So I'm going to load. It's going to house the data. I confirm that I have headers, converting it to a table first before we take it to Power Query. So now we come into Power Query and I have my table here. So here, this is table 1, which is a query. My names and sales are here. So our goal here is to split the names at every transition between a lowercase and an uppercase. Okay, so under home, you see split column, and this option is here. By lowercase to uppercase, vice versa is also here. So while this column is selected, we just press by lowercase to uppercase, and you realize that it now splits using this rule. Now we have 3 columns. So what we are going to do is to merge these columns that have been split back using a space. So I select the first one, hold Control, second one, hold Control, third one. I'll right click this, and in the right click menu, I'll see merge columns. So I'm going to merge these split columns back using a separator. So I'll drop this and I'll choose space. You can also name the new column. So I'm going to call this names as it should be, and then I'll click OK. So now it closes back now with spaces, and my sales are here. When you are done with the cleaning, you have the option to load it either as a table, as a pivot table, as a pivot chart, or even a connection. So for this purpose, we are going to dump the result as a table in a new worksheet. So I'll click OK. And now if you examine our data, you observe that the ones that didn't have spaces are now having spaces in between the names. So if you have data like this, you can use this option to nicely transform it. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos directly on your phone. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit, subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.